Stand firm in truth, even when power threatens to silence it. Like Nicholas the Great, let your convictions be stronger than compromise. In the turbulent 9th century, when the legacy of Charlemagne was crumbling and the Church faced apathy and corruption, one man stood firm, Pope Saint Nicholas I, known as Nicholas the Great. Born around 825 in Rome, son of a noble defender named Theodore, Nicholas was a brilliant student, revered for his piety and eloquence. Ordained by Pope Sergius II and later Pope Leo IV, Nicholas ascended to the papacy in 858. His reign marked a turning point. He became a fearless defender of church authority, confronting kings and emperors alike. When Lothair of Lotharingia sought to divorce his wife for political gain, Nicholas refused to bless the union. Even when Emperor Louis II occupied Rome, Nicholas stood his ground, and won. He challenged the controversial appointment of Photius in Constantinople, advocating for the rightful patriarch, Saint Ignatius. He also worked with Boris I of Bulgaria to bring the newly converted nation under Roman ecclesiastical guidance. Nicholas I wasn't just a pope, he was a reformer, a strategist, and a spiritual warrior. His legacy laid the foundation for future reformers and earned him the rare title, the Great. Lord, grant us the courage of Pope Nicholas I, to defend truth, protect unity, and serve with unwavering faith. Amen.